Hello everyone. Today we are going to start chapter 5 for athletes. In this, it is an inspirational poem by poetess Shirley Milton who wants to give a message to all sports persons. They are the role models for youngsters. Let's read it. Many sports people are role model for youngsters, yet we sometimes read reports of some people being disqualified from sporting events for taking drugs and behaving badly. Shouldn't people behave more responsibly? Find out what the poet has to say on how they should conduct themselves. In this poem, poetess is saying that they are the role model for the youngster or small children and youngster. They are continuously following at every step or word. Sometimes sports people being disqualified for their bad behavior or for taking drugs. In this chapter we will read out how they should conduct themselves, means athletes or sports people, how they should conduct themselves, how they can become a role model for the youngster. In first stanza, there are little eyes upon you, and they are watching night and day. There are little ears that quickly take in every word you say. Means in this first stanza, the poetess reminds athletes that thousands of youngers treat them as their idol and dream to become like them. They are continuously watching and following at every step or words. Small children, they easily believe in each and every word that sports persons say. For example, in Sachin Tendulkar ad, Boost is the secret of my energy. Small children believe that Boost is really the secret of energy. In second stanza, the poetess says, there are little hands all eager to do anything you do, and a little boy who is dreaming of the day he will be like you. Means small children and youngers, those who are dreaming to become like you, they are eager to do anything what you are doing in your life because they treat you as their idol. Now, third stanza, you are the little fellow's ideal. You are the wisest of the wise. In his little mind about you, no suspicions ever rise. Means they consider you as the wisest person among the wise person. In and little children's mind, there is no doubt about you. In the fourth stanza, poetess says, there is a wide-eyed little fellow who believes you are always right, and his eyes are always open, and he watches day and night. In this stanza, poetess reminds that or says that small children always believe you. They are following and watching you day and night. Their eyes and ears are open to listen you every time. And in the last stanza of the Milton, she says that you are setting an example every day in you all do for the little boy who is waiting to grow up to be like you. In this last stanza, poetess is saying, athletes, you are the best example for those who are waiting to become or grow up like you. Means in short, poetess says that they says that athletes or sports person, they are the idol for their youngers, and youngers are dreaming to become like them. Thank you.